Edmonton! My name is Joanne and I'm here to tell you all about raising hens in Edmonton, Alberta, Canada. In this video, we'll be talking about health and disease of the flock. Birds can suffer stress from severe weather, overcrowding, and poor nutrition. Any one or all of these factors can result in disease. You can ward off some diseases by practicing good husbandry. However, you will need to address some diseases with vaccines. Vaccines are important to the health of your flock because they prevent diseases by boosting a chicken's immune system. Diseased birds can continue to affect other birds in your flock and risk spreading disease to other flocks if you are in contact with other hen keepers. As a chicken owner, make sure you adhere to these 4 practices. If the birds need to be vaccinated, seek veterinary assistance to ensure proper planning and administration. Double-check the vaccination status with your chicken supplier. Ensure proper storage and administration of the vaccine according to label or prescribed directions. Clean and disinfect tools that are used to administer vaccines. Make sure you adhere to all vaccination withdrawal times. Withdrawal time on a drug label indicates the drug's elimination rate or the number of days that must pass before you can safely butcher a bird for meat. In the case of laying hens, it is recommended that you add 10 days to the withdrawal date, as residue from the drug can stay in the developing egg for that long. Most vaccinations and antibiotics have specified withdrawal times listed on the instructions of the bottle or insert sheet. During a withdrawal period, do not eat any eggs laid by your hen. Depending on the type of vaccination, there can be different methods used. I included a list below that describes the types of vaccination that could be used by your veterinarian. Now on to disease. If your flock exhibits any of the following symptoms, contact your veterinarian immediately. High mortality or sudden deaths. If there's an unexpected or unexplained death, refer to your vet for a post-mortem. You can find a list of vets that see chickens in Edmonton at rivercitychickens.org. Sudden egg production drops, and drastic change in feed and or water consumption. These can be signs of a serious contagious disease that should be investigated immediately. As the owner of chickens, you need to be able to recognize signs of disease and notify authorities immediately if you suspect a serious bird disease. If a provincially reportable or notifiable disease is found within your flock, you are legally required to notify authorities. Reportable diseases are those which require action to control or eradicate because they are a threat to animal or human health, food safety, or the economy. Notifiable diseases are those which require monitoring for trade purposes or to understand their presence in Alberta, but no actions will be taken. If you suspect your flock has a reportable or notifiable disease, contact the office of the Chief Provincial Veterinarian. Well, that's it for today. I hope you enjoyed watching and learned a thing or two about hen keeping in Edmonton. Special thanks to the Poultry Research Centre and Government of Alberta for providing the information in their manual, Raising Chickens in Alberta. They put out a great amount of resource for you to use, and almost all the information in my videos are from them. I placed a handout including a list of vaccination types, infectious diseases in Alberta, and a list of clinical signs for some common poultry diseases in the description. These handouts are a summary of the manual itself, but you can also download the full manual online. Thanks everyone!